So today I am feeling the fall vibes. The weather is cooling down here in Florida. By cooling down, I mean it's like 85-ish degrees. There is a big like hurricane and storm happening on the west coast. So we on the east coast are getting a ton of rain. So it's kind of tricking us into a little bit of a fall day, and I'm just missing fall. Today I thought it'd be fun to kind of play into that. I just received a huge order of clothes, so I want to do like a try on haul. It's all fall stuff. I want to start decorating for like Halloween maybe this weekend and get the house ready for the new season. Crazy it is upon us. So welcome to a little fall day in my life. To start off the day, I'm meeting one of my girlfriends for coffee. She wanted to see Atlas. So we just finished our little coffee date. As I mentioned, I want to start decorating for fall and Halloween. So there's a thrift store right by the coffee shop that I go to all the time. I haven't been in a minute, so I'm gonna go in there and see if there's anything like fall or spooky in here that I could add to my decor collection. I can't believe it's time to decorate already. I am not seeing anything today. Normally have such great luck in here, but honestly it looks kind of cleared out. Well, we may have to go shopping later today to see if we can find any other little decor to add. All right, buddy, let's get you home. That is some serious rain. Wow. Well, we just got home and like I'd say that was perfect timing because like the sky is completely opened up and it's like a downpour out there. So this is the perfect time to show you what I ordered for fall. I am now 3 months postpartum, and the fun thing about being postpartum is shopping for your new body. That's actually a little tip. I have found it's kind of been a little stressful to go into my closet and try to fit into things that was like pre-pregnancy body. It's a lot more fun to shop for the body that I'm in right now, and I've actually teamed up with Walmart for this video to share with you guys some affordable fall finds. Being that my body is going to be changing for quite some time, I wanted to find things that were like on trend with like the current style and some like fun pieces, but also were affordable and didn't hurt my pocket because I don't know what my body is going to do over the next little bit. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I found. There are so many goodies, including the shirt that I have on. So I found everything on walmart.com, which made it very convenient, especially since I'm a new mom. I didn't have to leave the comfort of my own home because that is a little harder to do these days. It takes a little more effort. So I just went online and added everything to my cart, and I swear everything was here in 2 days. So that was a nice little plus. I haven't tried any of this on, so it'll be a first impression try on haul for fall. This first outfit is like the perfect transitioning into fall look. It's very similar to what I just had on, but I just switched out with the jeans and shoes. But the shirt is by Free Assembly, and I always check their button downs because they always have good ones. But I really like the detail on this one. I like that they switched up the way that the stripes are going, like right here. You can see, change directions. Nice little touch. And then I just paired it with a pair of Levi's. They're darker on the outside and lighter on the inside, so I thought that was like a fun little detail to add to any outfit. Just kind of adds a little something. And then I paired it with these cute little slides or mules. But what I like about them is I like that they're like right on trend with like the metallic, also the little crossover detail, and the best part is they're only like $5 or $6. This next look is giving very classic vibes. Oh my gosh, it's very nautical fall. I'm kind of into it. So I have on the same jeans. I paired it with like this stripe boat neck, like 3/4 sleeve shirt. It's on the boxier side. It's a very thick material, which is so good for like that relaxed look. And then I just paired it with this like olive green jacket. How cute is that? Over the stripe with like blue jeans. And then I just paired it with a like Mary Jane ballet flat. So good. This jacket's great. I like that. So as a new mom, I'm all about finding outfits that are really comfortable but that also I feel put together in, and this outfit checks both those boxes. I love the higher neck. The material is more of like a silky material. It's on the thinner side, which is perfect for here in Florida, but I felt like this would be so cute paired with just either sandals or some like little tennis shoes. And I also liked the loose wide leg, more cropped slash capri pant, and I did size up to a medium, so it was a little more oversized, and a small in the pants, so it gives like a looser laid back look. Don't mind the vacuum in the background. My mother-in-law is here helping. Very appreciative new mom over here. I'm like, again, accept the help when when it's presented. But how cute is this dress? I've been very into stripes. If you can't tell, I've shown you many pieces already with stripes, and I like that the buttons continue all the way down, so you can kind of like unbutton it if you want and kind of have like a little slit to add a little something. And then I just paired it with these adorable little heels. It's like this pointy toe like mini heel, which I think is adorable, and it's maroon with like little buckles. Super cute, and I feel like very on trend. So a perfect like Sunday fall outfit or work outfit, or you could honestly pair this with tennis shoes and make it like a very casual, obviously everyday outfit. So yeah, super cute. I am so impressed with how this outfit came together. I feel like this is the perfect fall outfit. So I always have luck when I'm on Walmart with either Scoop or Free Assembly, and this whole outfit is either by Scoop or Free Assembly. So I ended up pairing this like buffalo plaid, like black and brown jacket. I like that it's cropped with like this sweater tank top turtleneck. It's on the thinner side, but I don't know if you can tell, it has like this sheen to it. It's really beautiful. I actually ordered it in this like light coffee color as well as a cream, because being in Florida, I don't really have fall like I mentioned, so I try to find other ways to incorporate like fall styles and trends. And as we go into winter, obviously the turtlenecks will be like, it'll just be perfect. And then I finished off the look with these like wide leg trouser jeans. They're super stretchy and they just fit really cute. I really like these. Like, it's like perfect on trend look, but yet gives a really like put together and classic vibe. And then ordering operator error me, I accidentally ordered a 9.5 instead of a 6.5. But how cute are these shoes? Like, it would have completed the outfit perfect if I would have ordered my right size. I think this outfit is my favorite because it's giving like total fall vibes, and I feel like I'm in a cold place, but it's just my AC in my house, so it's reminding me of Utah fall. So I'm gonna have everything linked down below, everything that I found on Walmart. So excited that my closet is now updated for fall, but I do want your help. I should probably narrow it down a tiny bit, so let me know what pieces you liked down below in the comments. But oh, so good. I'm obsessed with this jacket. Okay, I'm gonna go check on Atlas and see how he's doing with Grandma, but I'm obsessed. Okay, this one's so good. So my initial plan was to go like fall home decor shopping today and see if I could find anything, but this weather is nasty. It's just gray and rainy, and to be honest, I don't feel like being out in it. So I feel like a better plan, since it is like rainy and gloomy and just a bleh day, I feel like baking makes a lot more sense. Like, instead of a day, maybe more of a cozy inside, not leaving, make yummy treats. That sounds a little bit better. So I feel like a nice little surprise would be if I make Sawyer his favorite cookies. To be honest, that sounds a lot more fun than being out and about in the rain. So remember how I said I didn't want to leave the house? Well, my flour was bad, so thank goodness my mother-in-law only lives like 2 or 3 streets over. I've secured the goods, we have flour. Now I can go back home and continue baking. gosh, those look so good. Can you see those, Sawyer?
Thank you very much.
These are your favorite. How'd they turn out? You have some fans. Girls. Yeah, you. No, Mabel.
I've got a koala.
Hi, buddy.
I'm not getting anything done.
No.
It's good though.
It's a rainy day. It's okay. They turn out okay?
I love fall.
So due to the storm, it's gone from just a day in my life to 2 days in my life. The storm is a pretty good one. We are not in the direct hit of the hurricane, but we definitely have some wind and some rain. So last night after cookies, I'm like, you know, we'll continue this tomorrow. And there's actually a break in the storm right now, so I'm gonna be out and about for a second. And I was actually on the phone with my mom last night, and she was showing me these adorable fall decorations she got, and she was like, I got them at Walmart. I'm like, all right. So I'm gonna stop in there right now and see if I can find the same ones, because they were pretty cute. Same ones, and hopefully this weather holds up today, because there's one other thing I really want to get to in preparation for fall. But until then, I'm gonna make a run for it because it is blowing sideways. Well, maybe not. It was a second ago, but anyways, the wind's gonna pick up or it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna get in there. Okay, I can tell that I am shopping early enough in the season because they are fully stocked. I'm actually pretty impressed. I feel like the last few years I've been decorating later than I normally do, and so when I go shopping, it's everything's picked over. Not this year. I'm really impressed. Look, there's big skeletons, and they actually had what my mom was talking about. She was like, you need to get this, so I will. Oh my god, that's so cute. I mean, it only makes sense that since I'm here, I might as well see if there's anything cute for Halloween or fall for Atlas. Oh my god, so cute. I just went out into the garden center and it's all Christmas trees and Christmas ornaments. I'm not ready for that. Let's just start with one holiday at a time. Hey Poodle, I got your bandana. Oh. Very nice. Neighbor. Come here, sweetheart. Come. Your bandana. Can you sit? Sit. Okay, that works. Very good. Very good. Yeah, good girl. So the last thing I wanted to do today to prepare for fall was to stop by our storage unit and grab, oh my gosh, I thought that was, is it right here? Yeah. Right here. Wow. Is to stop by our storage unit and grab all of my fall decor. So, mother-in-law in the year, mother-in-law, I can't speak. You're the mother-in-law of the year. Once again, I'm like, will you help me? She's like, yes. All right, where to start?
It's getting to be the holidays.
It's the season. Whew. So I have baked, I found new clothes for fall, and we pulled out all of the decorations. Are you ready for your first fall? Your first Halloween? It's so exciting. We're about to show you all the holidays. Yeah. I'm so excited to experience the holidays with him. I just feel like it'll make it that much more special. So in the next video, I'm hoping to decorate for Halloween and get this house all festive. This ended up being a fun little video. I didn't expect it to be such a cozy little vlog, but as always, anything I talked about or found, I will have linked down below for you. But that is it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Say bye. Yeah.